Hey yo, this is Pokyo Design Pro. Welcome to this episode of Revit. In this episode, I'm going to show you how we create the schedules. For the schedules, I'm talking about the door and window schedule. These are basically tables listing all the windows and doors in the entire project. This is the door schedule. Then this is the window schedule. So let us start right away on how we create this. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials, and at the same time to turn on your notifications for the daily updates. So with me here is a simple layout. All my openings are well tagged. You can look at the doors are tagged and also the windows are tagged. I also have another layout in the same project. All the openings are well tagged. A schedule is basically a table listing all the openings in the entire project. So if you are looking at a door schedule, it lists all the doors in the entire project. Then if it's a window schedule, it will list all the windows in that project. So without wasting much time, let us start right away. I'll come under view, then I'll look for schedule. Schedules are right here. I'll just click on it and I'll go to schedule stroke quantities. I'll select that. Let us start with a door schedule. I can simply come type here door to automatically come. I'm going to create a door schedule. You can give it a name from here, that is in case you want to change. But it automatically gives you the name, that is the door schedule. So we shall simply come and say OK. Then right here we have to filter in our fields that we want to appear on the schedule. So this is all what is there. So this is all what is there. But we shall just remove a few that we need to use. Assembly code, we don't need this. Assembly description. So you'll find that Revit is giving you all the details you can talk about on your door. But for us, we may just need a few. For instance, we don't need now like the cost, the comments, don't need all that. I need the count, so I'll click on this. I'll come and click here, move it this side. I'm going to need the description as well. I'll move it that side. The door height, door mark, actually that one, I'm just going to come here under mark. I'll just move mark. Then the height, I need the width. Then I'm going to need the height. We don't need the sill height for the doors, so I'm going to look for height. This is height. I will move it that side. I have count, I have description, I have mark, width, height. I think this is what I need for the door. So let me try to arrange this. I want the mark to go first up, so I'll come and move this up. Then the count, definitely this will be last. The description next after the mark, the width and height. I think this is okay. Then for the finish, this is talking about the finished materials, but I'll have that in the description. I simply come, click on OK. So after that, it will display a table with all the fields that you filtered. But then you realize we have the repeated door ones. Then also for the count, it is 1 1, but we need to have this as 1. And also the mark to have door 1 as door 1. And also door 2 as door 2, door 3 as door 3. Instead of having this long table. So we are going to sort. So I'll come under sorting and grouping. I'll simply come edit this. I'm going to sort this by mark. I'm going to uncheck this. And I'm going to click on grand totals. And I'll simply come, say OK. It will simply sort that out, as you can see. Door 1, this is the width, the height, then also the count. We have 36 door ones in this entire project. Then door 2, this is the same, and we have this door 3, just like that. Then now this is where you can write your description. So you can first make this a little bit wider so that you have enough space to write your description. Yeah, so door one, in case you click on this door one and you come on the floor plan to show you the door highlighted. Yeah, so this is door one. Under its properties, you can see it is a single internal door. So I'm going to describe this. I'll simply come back to the door schedule. I'll click here. I'm going to describe this as a single flush timber casement door. Yeah, then for door 2, when I simply click on that and I come on ground floor, yeah, the door 2 is also the same. I'll simply give it the same description. I can either write or just come here and activate that. Yeah, so the only difference is in their sizes. This one is 900, whereas this one is 800. Then door 3, if I'm to come the ground floor, this is door 3. Under the properties, it is also a wooden double door. So I'll simply come, type that here. Can say double swing timber casement door. Yes, so that's how I can simply describe that door. Yeah, but you can add on your own words according to how you can describe your door. Yes, the door schedule is done. Next, we need to create also a window schedule. I'm going to do the same. I'll come still under view, schedules, schedule and stroke quantities. I'll simply type here window. I say okay. Then I have to filter my fields. I need the count. I'll move that side. I'll need the description as well to move the height. Then the mark, of course. I'll need also the sill height. For the window, we need the sill height. Then the width to be the last. Yeah, I think this is okay. So I need to move my mark up. That be the first. Then the description. But this depends how you want to arrange your work. I'll move the count down to be the last. Then width, after description, height, then sill height. I'll simply come and say okay. The next thing we need to do, we have to sort. So I'll come to sorting and grouping. I'll edit. I'm going to sort by mark. Then I want to check this. Come and click on ground totals. Simply say okay. Yeah, so what we need to do is to edit the description. Can move this a little bit this side. Yeah, window 1 steel casement. Yeah, I can have some more words on this. So I can say steel casement metallic window with glass infill. Yeah, I think that is okay. You can add on your own words if you want. So that's okay with me. Then window 2. Window 2 is the same. It's also for glass. I think up to window 5. So I'll have all this steel casement metallic window with glass infill. Yeah, still you can add on in the description in terms of how it opens. If it is a sliding window, you talk about it. If it is maybe a side hang, top hang, yeah, you talk about all that to enhance your description. Yeah, so basically this is how we create the schedules. Yeah, thank you for watching this episode and I hope you learned something. Watch out for more episodes in Revit and please don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials and at the same time to turn on your notifications for the daily updates. Thank you. Stay blessed.